You guys, welcome back to another vlog. And so I told myself that the flaming pipes, I'm gonna do that once we have reached 5,000 subscribers. But today I'm gonna take the car to the car wash. So I'm kind of disappointed. I hit a pavement here, and this is another problem. I also have to sort that out. I can't sleep while my car looks like this, so I need to sort this out as well. I wanna hear this cold start. It's been a long time since I actually chilled to hear the cold start from outside. There's a queue here. Okay, I'm here now at the, is it Auto Supreme car wash? It seems like they also do other stuff here, like panel beating and stuff. I just want to have a look at that as well. So, I am Mr. Jan. Oh, you also do panel beating? Yeah, I hit a cap there on my car there. I just wanted you to check it. So I decided, we should just get that fixed, that dent fixed there. And if you can see, this was something that happened last week when I was getting into the parking lot. I hit something there. Yeah, so I was actually not planning to fix it today. In this video, it was supposed to be me taking the car to the car wash. But yeah, I've decided already. Let me just fix it. The flames will do it later. I'm sure you can also see the scratch here. There's another dent here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, first thing first, before we do the flames, I want to make sure this car has no scratches on it. And then they're going to clip these bumpers back for me. And then everything will be sorted. The flames, you can do it later in the vlog. As I said, 5,000 subscribers, we're going to do that. And then, yeah. So today we're just taking care of the paint. And then washing the car after that. The pink wrap is still there, you see? Even the blue still shows the blue wrap, the pink wrap.
you.